Morning.
What up, boys?
This is
Ready to
his
party?
big boy.
Good old Shelby. I called name her just then.
That's Shelby. That's Lucy.
Lucy.
She's about to be sold, unfortunately, but this is our last trip with her.
Yep. Getting prepared, waiting for Kapi
One.
and Anun. Seeing that?
Weather looks pretty bad, as always.
Let's hope it's pick up.
Here's Garp. He's currently on his way. Walks in the puddle.
What's up, morning, boys. How are you guys?
Hey man, I saw that puddle.
Your first home drive. I thought you forgot Anun, bro. I thought he called you.
Have you been Anun, man?
What's up, guys?
Ready for the day?
So we're just gonna go straight away. Yeah, go at the front, Shelby in the middle. I'll follow at the back.
Okay. Are we going straight to Buxton Bait Stop or will you stop there?
Petrol shop.
Which one? Okay, whereabouts?
Okay.
Murabak? Okay. I just came back from there.
There.
Alright, first stop, 7-Eleven. Oi, flatten our tires.
Let's go.
Feel up. Let's go. Let's go, bro.
Hey, stop it. Bro, this is a nice car,
Bruh,
bro. Really nice.
what's her name?
Wellington.
I'm ready to die and go to heaven.
Beef Wellington. Alright, let's go.
Hi guys, we're about to leave from the 7-Eleven, and it's about 30 kilometers from Buxton. Another stop. We'll see you guys there. Hey boys, we got the two boys at the front, Kapi and Shelby.
Yeah.
The weather is not giving us, but
Well, we'll be alright.
We got a pre-snack, a pie, chicken leg, and pasta.
Yeah, we got more there.
See you soon. Let's go, bro. Shit, this guy.
Oh,
Right up.
First stop.
First up. Getting warm now.
Where are we? Yeah, there we are.
All right, look, check out my rig.
Alright, what's in here?
This is the workout we're gonna do, chopping firewood. There's only some here.
Fishing
All the-
rod.
All our food is in here. Fishing rod, chairs, chili bin. Ah, what a drive, man.
Right, that was a
Sit down.
drive. Bro, do you see the fog? Yeah, that's crazy, man.
Beautiful someone is calling. Oh,
Dang, the
I was
quality is
half
nice.
asleep. What is that?
47, man.
Shit.
Is there other color?
Red. There's red and stuff.
Up there, that's where we're going.
After
Our
that,
next stop.
for me, man.
Alright, guys.
So he's taking the
We're going
lead.
to-
Oh, sorry.
Go to the best fishing
Speak
spot.
louder, man.
We go to the best fishing spot, man.
So Garp's in the lead, I'm in the middle, and this guy's behind me.
I like of the best
Let's go
time.
out. Your YouTube is taking me, man.
Alright, see you guys
see
next
ya.
time.
This guy too extra, mate. What up, man? Yeesh. Hey, Shaiba. Yep. Alright.
All right, let's get back on fishing.
First location.
Whoa, how is the... Hey!
Oh, look at that. The water look pretty high, guys.
Big man. High tide. Wait, guys, alright.
Water look high, but it's good ass. Now we're looking for a fishing spot. Let's go. Oh my.
Go, update us.
Hi guys. One location. No luck. Kippy.
We're back in the next
Secret fishing spot.
secret spot where Xiaopi caught a whale. We're coming back to get some sharks.
Time to finish some unfinished business. Unfinished business. We're all going. Eildon.
I'm just gonna get some worm.
Worm boy. Find some worm for us.
Hey, Anund. Don't touch this wire, okay? Electric.
Say it again.
Don't touch them.
It's electric.
Oh shit!
Hey guys, after an unsuccessful and wet fishing trip,
I had a beef with a cow. Beef with a cow. We're moving to our next location. Campsite now. We're about to roll. Let's leave. There's like rock flying. My window nearly broke.
Shit.
The tire, your tire was like,
How are we looking?
looking good. We're halfway.
Quick toilet break.
Toilet break, and another an hour and a half to go.
Fuck me.
And still, we still have to look for campsite. Hopefully, maybe Mr. Cappuccino.
Alright,
Have a
things
spot
are looking
for
good
us.
so far. Bit of a rocky ride back there.
That was good, man.
That was good though.
What a view, man.
Thank you. What's the plan, bro?
No camping spot for us.
We've been looking for an hour. Everyone's full. They have to camp side of the road.
Yeah, we do. What about you, mate? No, he's stuck. Yep. Good, good. Shit.
Wait, I'm a computer.
It's good. We can't go anywhere, mate.
Can't find anyone else. Are still there with the fish out?
Got fishing that long range. Trust me. This is cái hệ shovel cái này các kêu là cần hao là cao hơn.
Yeah, yeah.
In like that.
Yeah, reverse, right here, right.
Oh good bro. Sorry bro. Straight. I'm on cut. Yeah, that's good.
That's
bro.
good.
It's quite hot. They got.
Bro, I can't smell, man.
Oh. Yeah, spill it.
Table, man. Hope it's too big. They're not allowed to see it, man. YouTube.
You need a bra.
I can shoot, man. Move to back.
Oh, look at that. Full drive time. So hey guys, we just finished setting up, and this way our fire pit's gonna be. We can check a fish around there, and here's our setup. That's where single boys sleep. That's where what is it? Double swag. Them two sleeping. I don't know what's gonna go in there. You can find out in the OnlyFans. Cappuccino. Hashtag Xiangfi. And this little kitchen. Gab's gonna provide us lunch. Well, we don't know what he's gonna cook for us, but it's gonna surprise. Okay.
Cut.
Woo! Actually, what the hell?
Really?
You could have gone further.
Yeah, use this. Yeah, use this.
What you making us for lunch?
So guys, we are making some
What is this?
butter chicken with
Butter chicken,
cream.
nice. You
And-
prepare rice for us.
Yeah,
very
already
good.
cooked.
Um,
And put some beans.
what is
as
this?
well. It's
Oh,
chicken
you already
cooking.
cut up the chicken. That's
Yeah.
good ass. Well, are you gonna add seasoning?
Yeah, it's gonna add some sauce, pepper obviously, salt.
Yes. It's good.
Yeah, it's gonna be good. Trust me.
Woo! Smelling good, man.
Already, you hungry? It makes you hungry already, huh?
I can smell it from all the way there from fishing.
He wants to get his car.
All right, there. Let's go.
Is that the chicken cooking now?
Yeah. So now
Yeah.
when it's like this color,
Yeah.
you add the sauce.
What's this?
Butter chicken sauce.
Butter
bro.
chicken. What are you adding now?
That's for later. So
Oh,
I'm gonna add this
cream.
first.
We're
And
excited
then
now.
like for after like 10 minutes, I'm gonna add chicken stock, and then
Mhm.
10 minutes, I'm gonna add this, and then it's done.
Bro, the smelling is good. We're hungry. It's been a long drive. We are here at a good campsite and a good
Best
lunch.
campsite here, yeah.
I think everyone's gonna come for this lunch in the campsite around the
You're
lake.
gonna smell it, yeah.
Ooh, look at this. A good chicken curry. Now you're gonna add the sauce. And you're gonna how long you gonna steam that for?
I'm gonna steam this for 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
No. 10 minutes.
10
and then
minutes, yeah.
add this.
Mm-hmm.
10 minutes.
What is
and then
this?
add chicken stock.
Chicken stock. And were you adding this? Oh, some
Just
good
before I
cheese.
add this, I'll
Mhm.
add this.
Nice.
It's
smelling
very
good,
simple,
bro.
but easy, simple, but feeling.
We're
warm.
excited to have our lunch. It's been a long day. We have to get up at 5 a.m. in the morning. Came all the
Yeah,
way
man.
here
We
for a
deserve
good lunch.
this.
A good place. Thank you.
So awkward, man.
Say, you just cut it, yeah. Hi guys.
I'm not cutting this, man.
KP introduce it.
All right. So hey guys. Oh, it's smelling good, bro. Now he got the chicken stock
Ice cream cake.
and he's adding
Ice
Cream?
Cream.
Ice cream.
cream. We're looking smell good. We're excited. We're hungry. We're tired. We're waiting for you for a while, but
No fishes yet.
no fishes yet.
No fish.
Looking good.
Still a long day though.
Rice is prepared. The main dish is prepared. We're excited, man.
Yeah, man. Alright, boys. Dinner's ready.
Oh, dang.
Shit.
I'm
go.
hungry, mate.
Yo, looking good.
Eat this, bro.
Damn.
Guys, chop more.
Of course, man.
Captain James Cook.
Captain James Cook
good, man.
providing the lunch. Oh.
Ham chứ, hai lek thằng tuổi thế không mà.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Chop AD đừng sư.
Looks good, man.
Finish all, bro.
Ooh, I'm excited. It's smelling so good.
Yeah.
It smells so creamy. Good. Oh, it smells good, eh? Eat it. Good. I know. Oh. Guys, it's not looking good right now. It's raining on us, so we're coming down on this gazebo and chilling again. It's only 7:30, but it's pretty dark. It's pretty raining right now. We're just packing up, moving the fire, sitting right here, and dinner is gonna be ready soon. Tune for that.
Movie night.
Moving it out right there, man. It's been a good night. We thought.
Hey guys, we're still having one more attempt at fishing. It's currently almost 10 something. Come, say hi, man. We're still never giving up on our quest for hunting, catching a fish, at least once. This is the current state of our place.
Remember when I used to wake up and stuff like that, and it's not good for me. I don't want that anymore, mate.
So hey guys,
You don't have to say anything.
it's a bit chilly tonight.
You didn't talk, bro. Just rest.
Hey,
Just rest.
we're
Relax.
resting. This way, Mr.
Surprisingly,
King
this
was
is
down.
Gibbs' awning.
It's alright. We haven't catch any bite right now. It's
This
a bit
is
dark.
unknown swag, the double swag. This is the premium swag. Woo.
Hey guys. It's about 12:13 right now. We're about to sleep, getting bed ready.
It's pretty late, so we're gonna go to bed. This is our
The boys are
current
heating
setup.
up right now. This
Not too
Mr. Kang sleeping.
He's had a long day.
The next one is me. The next one is Guppy and Xiaopi. It's a really good right now. We did have to cook the dinner. We had our lunch. Still make us full, but
See you guys tomorrow.
I'm still.
Oh shit! What'd you catch? Hey, let's go. Let's eat it. Let's eat it.
Right, we've been the whole time. What's up, Poppy? Hey, naman, hey, naman.
Morning, mate. Beautiful day.
Morning.
Hey guys, let's go. Come.
Got some nice eggs for breakfast. Straight out of a bird's nest. And I don't know. This will be cooking it today. This morning. Gotta cut that. Alright. Fuck, bro. Anyways. I left this line out for the whole night and this is what I said. Oh shit. Oh, what is that? Wait! What the? Hey! Caught bacon. Strained bacon from Lake Eildon. Doesn't get any better than that. Fresh. And I'm covered in egg yolk.
I'm alive, bruh.
Primitive style cooking. Up! Primitive cooking. Let you have her.
Like this way. Oh, it's like this. It's like that. Like, put it up. No, the hey. Too weird. You know, so like us, be heartbroken. I don't know. We're the best person.
Hey guys, we just finished camping. We just all packed up. The boys are getting to drive off. Me just tying the rubbish. Make sure always take your rubbish home. Bring a second plastic bag. Just clean up the area. We just fill up all this. Clean up the environment. Clean up the camping site. It's good. See.
It is. Yep, it's all clean.
Go interview back, Guppy.
Jeez, what a view.
put his picture up.
2, 1.
Thanks for watching.